first question here is 132 to the power 7 into 132 power what will be equal to this 132 whole power 11.5. We already know that a to the power m into a to the power n will be equal to a to the power m plus n. So by using this only we are going to solve this problem. So here we have 132 whole power 7 into 132 to the power some value is equal to this 132 whole power this 11.5. So here this means what? This means if we simplify this left hand side by using this law, then we will get this 132 whole power this 7 plus this unknown value x will be equal to this 132 whole power this 11.5. Here listen, the two bases are equal, so therefore the powers must also be equal. Hence this 7 plus x must be equal to this 11.5. So hence x will be equal to what? 11.5 minus 7. That is, if we bring this plus 7 to the opposite side, it will become minus 7. So 11.5 minus 7 will be equal to 4.5. Hence the value of x is 4.5. So hence out of these four options, option B 4.5 is the correct answer. Now the second question is a by b whole power x minus 2 is equal to b by a whole power x minus 7. What is the value of x? So here we have to find out the value of x. Here we are going to use one law that a to the power n will be equal to 1 by a to the power minus n. So we are going to use the same law here also. Here let us keep the left hand side as it is, that is a by b whole power x minus 2. And now what we are going to do is we are going to write down the reciprocal of this b by a, which is a by b. So once we have written the reciprocal, then we have to change the symbol of the power, which is minus of x minus 7. Because here we have x minus 7, and if we want to change the symbol, then we have to multiply this with minus. Hence we get minus of x minus 7. This is by using the law a to the power n equal to 1 by a to the power minus n. So here also we know that the two bases are equal because both the bases are a by b. So hence the powers must also be equal. So therefore what do we get? We get x minus 2 is equal to this minus of x minus 7. So this implies what? This implies x minus 2 will be equal to minus of x is minus x, and minus of minus 7 is plus 7. So now if we bring this minus x to the opposite side, it will become plus x. So we get x plus x is equal to, now again if we bring this minus 2 to the opposite side, it will become plus 2. So we have x plus x equal to 7 plus 2. So x plus x is 2x and 7 plus 2 is 9, and hence x will be equal to what? 9 by 2, because here we have multiplication of 2. When we bring this to the opposite side, it will become division. So now 9 by 2 will be equal to 4.5. Hence the value of x is 4.5. So out of these four options, option D 4.5 is the correct answer. Now the third question is, if 7 to the power x minus y equal to 343 and 7 to the power x plus y is equal to 16,807, then what is the value of x? So here it is given that 7 to the power x minus y equal to 343. We already know that if we factorize this 343, then we will get 7 to the power 3, because 7 into 7 49, 49 into 7 will be equal to this 343. Hence we get that this 7 to the power x minus y equal to 7 to the power 3. Similarly, let us take the second given condition, which is 7 to the power x plus y equal to 16,807. So here again if we factorize this 16,807, then we will get 7 to the power 5. That is, if we multiply the 7 for 5 times, we get this value. Here listen, in the left hand side the bases are equal to 7. That is why we are trying the right hand side value also to be a power of 7. That is why we get this value equal to 7 to the power 5. So hence we get that the 7 to the power x plus y is equal to 7 to the power 5. We already know that if the bases are equal, then powers must also be equal. So hence this power x minus y will be equal to this power 3. Similarly, this power x plus y will be equal to this power 5. So now what we are going to do is we are going to add these two equations. That is, we have two equations, one is x minus y equal to 3 and another one is x plus y equal to 5. Now if we add these two, then what will we get? X plus x, 2x, and plus y minus y will get cancelled, and 5 plus 3 equal to 8. Hence x will be equal to 8 divided by 2, which is 4. So hence the value of x is 4. So therefore out of these four options, option A 4 is the correct answer. Now the fourth question is 0.04 whole power minus 2.5 is equal to. So here also we are going to use the same formula, that is a to the power n equal to 1 by a to the power minus n. So here we have 0.04 whole power minus 2.5, and this can be written as what? This can be written as 1 by 0.04 whole power 2.5. That is, we have written the reciprocal of this 0.04. Hence, we have changed the sign of this power. So now this will be equal to what? We know that this 0.04 will be equal to what? It will be equal to 4 by 100. So hence we have 1 by this 4 by 100 whole power this 2.5. Now 1 by 4 by 100 is nothing but 100 by 4. So hence we get 100 by 4 whole power 2.5. Now if we divide 100 by 4, then we will get what? 25. So we have 25 to the power 2.5. And again, if we factorize this 25, then we will get what? 5 square, because 5 into 5 will be equal to 25. So we have 5 square whole power 2.5. Now we know that a to the power m whole power n will be equal to a to the power m into n. So therefore we are going to multiply these two powers. So 2 into 2.5 is 5. Hence we get 5 to the power 5. 5 to the power 5 will be equal to what? It will be equal to 3125. That is, if we multiply 5 for 5 times, we get the answer as 3125. So this is what the value of the given expression. So therefore, out of these four options, option C, 3125 is the correct answer.